In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you all the basics about worksheets in Excel. A worksheet is the sheet that you're seeing right here. It's the grid of Excel cells that you're seeing. Sometimes working with one sheet in your workbook can be enough, but other times you want to have different sheets in your workbook to separate some work. For example, on one tab you would want to have some sales data, and on the other worksheet you want to show the graphs representing that data. At the bottom of the screen is where you can switch between different worksheets. Whenever you open a new file in Excel, it comes with one worksheet standard. If you want to add new worksheets, you go to the bottom and press this little plus icon. As you can see, right now we have a new sheet. As said, we might want to separate some sales data from their graphs. To make it more clear in your file which worksheet contains what, we can change the name of our worksheets. To do that, you can simply press right-click on the Sheets tab and press Rename. Fill in the name and press Enter. We can do the same for the other sheet. And right now it's much clearer which sheet contains what. Sometimes you want to move your tabs. To do that, there are different ways. One way is to simply right-click the tab and select Move or Copy. Here you can choose where you want to move the sheet to, whether your current workbook or another workbook. If you've opened up other Excel files, they will show up here. Then it will ask you where in the current workbook you want to move it. You can move it after a specific tab, or you can move it to the end. Also, if you want to, instead of moving, you can create a copy of the sheet that you selected. For now, let's try that one. As you can see right now, we have a copy of our previous worksheet called Graphs 2. Another way to move your sheets is by simply clicking them, holding your mouse and dragging them to another position. Another cool functionality that Excel offers is the ability to hide sheets. Sometimes you want to share a file with your coworker, but you only want them to see one sheet. To hide a specific sheet, right-click on it and select Hide. You can now save the file, send it to your colleague, and all they will see is the data sheet. To unhide the sheets that you've hidden, simply press Unhide and select the sheets that you want to unhide. Another way to highlight some sheet is to change the tab's color. To do that, simply press right-click, tab color, and select the color you want. If you want to remove the color, do the same again and select No Color. If you want to delete a sheet, simply go to the Sheets tab, press right-click, and delete. That's it for this lesson on Excel worksheets. You now know all the basics you need to know to get started. If you've liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to read more information, check the description box and click the link.